The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. Isaiah 58:11. And here's one of my favorite quotes. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Hey there, fellow plant lovers. If you've ever dreamed of turning your backyard into a thriving green paradise, but you're not sure where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how Easy Life agriculture products can completely transform your backyard, making gardening simpler, more joyful, and also rewarding. First up, why do we garden? For me, it's about connection. With the earth, with my family, and even with myself. There's something magical about watching seeds you planted grow into delicious veggies or beautiful flowers. But let's be real, gardening has its challenges. Bad soil, pests, unpredictable weather, it can be tough. That's where Easy Life agriculture products come in. These products are designed with home gardeners in mind. Think organic fertilizers, soil enhancers, and pest control solutions that are safe for your plants, your pets, and your kids. Let me give you an example. I used to struggle with tomatoes. Yellow leaves, weak growth, the works. But with Easy Life's organic fertilizer, my tomatoes turned into absolute showstoppers. Deep green leaves, firm fruit, and flavor that knocked my socks off. And the best part? It's all natural, so I don't have to worry about chemicals in my food. Or take their soil enhancer. If your backyard is more like a patch of concrete than a lush garden, this stuff is a game changer. I just mixed it into my beds, and within weeks I saw a huge difference. Plants growing faster, flowers blooming brighter, and my soil teeming with happy earthworms. So if you want to make gardening easier, healthier, and more fun, give Easy Life agriculture products a try. Remember, your backyard is more than just a space. It's a canvas for your dreams, a sanctuary for your soul, and a source of fresh, homegrown goodness. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you're ready to start your own garden journey, hit that subscribe button for more tips and inspiration. Now get out there, dig in, and watch your backyard and your life transform. Happy gardening.